everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It is WRX the D. So today I'm actually going to do an intake install. I'm super excited about this. So I actually bought the Mishimoto WRX intake with the actual airbox. So I'm gonna be installing that. And I'm gonna just be doing some maintenance, just an oil change and spark plug, because I haven't done a spark plug change in a while. So you guys are in for a little treat. So if you guys don't know or don't already know how to change your spark plugs, I know those are the hardest. That's probably the hardest thing that's gonna have to be done. But I figured since I am already going to be changing the intake, I was gonna have to take it out regardless. It's gonna be perfect. It's the perfect time to do it. So perfect. All right, well, we're gonna just jump right into it. I'm not gonna show you guys the specifics about, you know, how to change and everything, but you'll just see me working on it. Other than that, I'm glad you guys are here. Give the video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. There's gonna be a lot more car content coming out. I promise. It's just a little hard time right now because I'm using my car for work. But other than that, this car is going to be built. It's gonna take some time. So let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so oil change is done, and now I'm gonna show y'all the actual intake, alright, which is actually, and it just looks beautiful. Alright, packaging was amazing, by Mishimoto. I actually got this on subispeed.com, but I got the polished version, the brand new intake. Look at that. Beautiful. And obviously the airbox that I was talking about. So they actually did protect this very well. And then I actually have my spark plugs in here, which I'm gonna get started with. So you guys are just gonna take a look. I didn't even want to record the oil change because very quick, very easy, very simple. Other than that, we're gonna take this airbox out. As you can see, spark plugs are down here, they're coils, and then the other ones are down here where I have to remove my battery. It's probably gonna be the hardest job today. So let's get started. Alright, so finally removed the whole airbox. Now we're actually starting on the spark plugs first. So we're gonna start on this side and then we'll completely remove the battery on that side. But we're gonna remove the ECU first, or just move it out the way. Gotta use a 14, we got a number at 14. This 5/8 was actually for my SI. I don't know where my 9/16 is at, so we're just gonna use the magnet to pull the spark plug out. These motherfuckers are shot. Look at this shit, man. Fucking shot. God. Alright guys, I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. My footage, I just didn't have any storage in my camera anymore, so I just stopped. But I did delete some footage for to show you guys the install. So I got it on, I got the airbox on, I got the whole intake completed. The battery is still out because I did change the spark plugs on both sides, and it actually wasn't that bad. It's just time consuming, and that's literally it. But I am about done, and once we're done, we're gonna take a listen to the car. Alright, so I'm about to start the car now. As you can see, everything is installed back to normal. Battery, old ass batteries, I should say. Brand new Mishimoto intake, spark plugs, and I did an oil change too. So, alright, let's hop in and start this thing. Car sounds great. Everything sounds like it was basically up to par. But I am going to do a separate video where I basically just show you guys then we're going to do a separate video, and we're going to do a sound of the intake. Honestly guys, this intake sounds freaking amazing. Like, it sounds great. It really does. Like, I'm just trying to get like a good feel for it right now. Since I had everything disconnected, the car doesn't want to act normal. Meaning the battery, first of all. So my power windows don't work. My right side window won't go down on my side. So just gotta wait on that for a second. But we're just test driving this thing a little bit. Alright, let's see if you guys can hear it. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Oh yeah, this is it. I like this. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. Very excited about this. So we definitely have a whole bunch of different modifications that I want to get done as well. My main goal though is to have a really nice sounding exhaust. Like, that's gonna be one of the best things for me personally. Like, I just want to have a really good sounding exhaust. My exhaust sounds great right now, but if I can get you know, headers, downpipe, or what's known in the Subaru world as a J-pipe. So yeah, we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen. So yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. Got to do my outro again, because I just wanted to listen to the car, and I can't drive while holding the camera at the same time, unless it's my phone. But it was super fun, and this was probably the first time that I've worked on my car and wasn't super stressed out. Like every time I work on my car, I'm a little stressed out just because it's so time consuming, and you kind of have to tell yourself, like, come on bro, chill out, just do what you gotta do, take your time, because if you rush, one thing which I recommend to you guys, if you are, you know, working on your own car, do not rush anything. Take your time, because if you fucking strip a bolt, or you break a bolt, or just do some dumb shit, it's gonna fucking cost you. It's gonna cost you more time, or maybe even more money. So just try to be a little bit just be careful when you're doing you know, car work. All right. But other than that, I really appreciate all you guys for coming to watch the video once again, as always. Love the support. I'm not posting as much, obviously, because of you know, I don't have all the money in the world to friggin' buy modifications, but I do want to post different types of car content, which I am working on. So you guys will see that uploaded pretty soon. And yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the like button. Share with somebody that might want to see this. Other than that,